Hey everybody, thank you for coming back to the channel. So let's see what we got. Thank you for watching my videos also. Sending you nothing but peace and love. So I just put out a video about the new way of doing the DIY tutorial on using hooks on the end of my earrings. Please check that video out. So now what we're going to concentrate on is this earring right here. This is a double buddah head, citrine, and this is a quartz with silver foil, gold foil bead that I made. So I think these are so cute. So I'm going to show you how I made that earring. So the tools I will be using are these round nose pliers and these flat nose pliers. And we are using a citrine bead in a cage. And this is my handmade bead. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is the buddah head, double buddah head. And I'm using silver tone wire. So what I did with the bead was I did like a wrap. Now on this bead, the hole was a little bit too big for this ball pen. So I put some glue on there to allow it time to glue so I could do the wrap, because I did like a scarf wrap on the end of this bead. So I'm going to show you how I did it. I just gently folded it over, then I just turn. Make sure, because I want the wrap kind of the same size as the other one. We don't want it too big because, yep, that's about it. So I'm going to pull it just a little bit more. So, and you just begin. And what I do is just pretty much hold the bead like that. And this is how I do my scarf wraps. And you just wrap and wrap. I hope you can see that. And wrap the bead. Pulling it, as tight as you can without conflict. And I think that's a pretty good wrap. And then I just hold it like this. I forgot to say we're going to take these wire cutters. And we're going to cut a little bit like that. And we're just going to smash that down a little bit so it won't be poking out. Okay. And that's the finished wrap on the bead. Okay, and now all we're doing is hooking together. So I'm using a 6mm jump ring. Now on my last earring that I did, it was a end. It was like a hook end cap that I used, that I couldn't think of the name of the product. It was an end cap that I used on the bead. So we're just putting this in like this. I guess I'm going to come back and just do beads. Just do on like this here. Make little small videos making product. Hopefully Saturday I could, oh man, I'm supposed to help my sis. I could add some of these on my website, because I need more product on there. Yeah, so I put this in the, let me show you what this looks like. See how that bottom is? So I'm just taking this jump ring and putting it in the first ring. There we go. I finally got it. Okay, so I'm going to take this and loop it in there. And I take these and just make sure I'm closing it off properly. That's why I like these needle nose, because they can get in there really well. And you got to make sure that you close in your jump ring, because if not, they will come out. It won't be secure. Let's see if I got that. Okay, so, and you know what? Oh, I'm saying, did I put it on there upside down? Oh man, but I got it. So I take this Buddha head. This is like I think 1 millimeter, 1 inch Buddha head. And I open the ring up like that. So I'm going to take this and drop it in there. And make sure I close it up gently and close it up tight, because you don't want your jewelry to come apart. And there we go. Double head Buddha citrine earring. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, yes. This is a double head citrine gold silver bead earring. Yes. So guys, thank you for taking the time. I'm gonna flip it over around so you can really see it. We all know Buddha means good luck. A lot of people namaste. You love to say namaste. Thank you. And we all know Buddha went on a journey. He went on a spiritual journey to find self. He had questions. He needed answers, like most of us do. But anyway, guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. And we will catch you in the next video. Much love.